Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to display data with a scatter plot using Microsoft Excel. First, I'm going to select the two columns of data and then go to the Insert tab and click on the Scatter Plot icon. A drop-down box will appear. I will create a simple scatter plot. And just like that, Excel creates a scatter plot for you. First, I'm going to make the scatter plot a little bigger so it's easier to work with. Next, I need a title. So I will copy and paste the title from the spreadsheet. Next, I want to add a title on the y-axis so that people can understand this information is GDP per capita. First, click on the Chart Design tab and then go to the Add Chart Element icon from the drop-down menu and then Primary Vertical. Next, type in the title of the y-axis. Repeat the same steps again to add the title for the x-axis. But this time you need to choose the primary horizontal option and then type in the title. Also, I would like to add a trend line to help people understand the relationship between these two sets of data. Once again, I'll click on the Add Chart Element icon. From the drop-down menu, I will choose Trend Line and then Exponential. The last bit of formatting I'll do is add labels to the scatter plot. Once again, I click on the Add Chart Element icon, and from the drop-down menu, I will choose Add Data Labels to be put on the left-hand side. By default, the labels show the value of the y-axis, but I want the country names instead. So I'll double-click on the data label, which will open up the formatting panel. I will uncheck the y value and then choose Value from Cells instead. Next, I'll select the names of the countries on the spreadsheet and then push OK. To help out with readability, I'll click and drag the data labels so that they're not too close together. Now I have a scatter plot that shows the relationship between people's level of happiness and GDP per capita.